So basically I studied languages at university, and I've always loved learning a language. I sort of got that like natural curiosity to kind of like, you know, you see a word, you think, what does that mean? Find it really interesting, like the sort of the etymology of that word, like where does it come from? How do you sort of see that across lots of different languages? And then I am half Welsh, so my dad is Welsh, so I thought it'd be such a really nice thing to kind of connect with my Welsh side of the family and learn a bit more about the Welsh language basically. And he actually follows the London Welsh Centre on Facebook, and pointed it out to me and was like, oh, you should go along. So I was like, yeah, okay, cool, I'll go. Hi Nige, little call out. And so I came along today, and it's been really, really good. There's a lot of like and you know, spitting everywhere. So I thought, you know, but I thought you've got to give it a go. Yeah, I've absolutely loved it. I've met some like amazing people. I feel like I've, you know, started to like build some really good foundations to go on and, you know, maybe come back to the intermediate courses and go on and do some other things independently as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to do that. I've just finished actually my cider, you know, necked it. But yeah, so the bar, great. And I'll definitely come back.